I'm Thomas Martin, Chair of the FEO NxGEN Group. So what we've created today is a little bit of magic, and it's happening right now in Hull. We've got 96 students, 24 entrepreneurs sharing what they've got right and sharing what they've got wrong. That's quite an interesting bit. And we're here for a full day of learning, teaching and preparing the next generation of entrepreneurs, not just for when they leave school, but for the rest of their lives, and I hope that they can make a massive difference to the strength of our local economy and, of course, to their own futures. That's what today's all about.
It's been really good fun so far. Lots of teamwork, lots of people listening, great team, great energy, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
I've had a really good day learning about different ways to start up a business. I found the two speakers really inspiring because they came from random backgrounds which I didn't realise could make you successful, so that's what I like.
I'm Lucy Francis, I'm from Hull College and I've been part of the team that's organised this with FEO today. We've all been nervous about how well it's going to go and whether the students would be engaged, and straight away they have been. It's been fantastic so far and I'm just really excited to see what they produce later on.
I see I feel the pressure already. My teacher's over there. All right. Hi, my name is Thiago. I'm a student from Hull College. I'm doing media in film studies. Today we've been here in KC Stadium with some successful businessmen and women, and they give us some advice of how to make a business and some really good examples, and yeah, it's been very good.
Hi everyone, my name's Graham Pittaway. We're halfway through the FEO Masterclass day here at KC Stadium. We're having a great time with a lot of energy in our room. We've got a team which have got 9 of us in it, and we're going to pitch to the judges this afternoon, and let's see if our business idea tops the day.
Yep.
Excellent.
I'm Vicky McKinnon. I'm from St Mary's College and I teach business studies there. These enterprise days are really good for the students because it helps them to actually come into contact with business people who they may be potentially working for in the future or networking with in the future. So it helps to build their confidence a little bit, and it helps them sort of develop some of their key skills like communication with other people away from their peers and away from their teachers that they're very confident with on a daily basis.
I'm Chris Hees, film producer and owner of Bridgeway Films. Yeah, so it's been great being here to tell my story of how I got this bad boy, sort of hopefully to inspire some of the young people who I've met today. It's been fantastic, sort of mentoring them and teaching them and learning from them. You know, and I think we've got some really good business ideas that we will see flourish one day.
Hi there, I'm Angela Oldroyd. I'm a member of FEO and a very proud member of the education group, soon to be NxGEN. The purpose of today is to try and inspire the next generation to think about business as a career. We want people to understand that business is accessible to all, regardless of academic achievement, regardless of the gender or their age, that it is possible at lots of different times in their lives, and today is a really good example of how we're trying to deliver that message.
Hi, my name is Zawadi from Hull College. Even today, I just learned a lot of things that I didn't expect, actually, even to build my confidence. Until now, today what I learned, I think I make a good choice to keep going. One of my colleagues told me, don't give up, just keep, you can do this, Zawadi. And I was like, okay, I can do it. I want to become a business woman. And to become a businesswoman, I have to study about how to deal with customers, all that stuff. So I don't know anything, but I think this is the start of my life. I'm proud.